Hi friends, we are from Brazil. My name is Ricardo and I will translate this video for you. I hope you enjoy it. On this day, Benício was 3 years old and we went for a walk in a farm where there are several animals for the children to meet and have fun.
Dá comidinha pros patos.
I told Benício to feed the ducks,
Isso,
but to be
lá,
careful
cuidado, senão ele
because they
morde sua
could
mão.
bite it.
Que bicho é esse?
I asked him, what animal was that?
Desse bicho?
He thought it was a peacock.
Que grandão, filho. Joga, cuidado com a mãozinha, senão eles picam sua mão.
But it was an emu. He was impressed with the size of the emu.
Tinho, dá um pouquinho pra ele comer o carneirinho, filho. Oi, você aí. Oi, você.
He is given a ration that was delivered to us on the farm to feed the animals. Benício liked the goats very much.
Do cabritinho, olha só. Vem, dá comidinha pra ele. Dá comidinha. Isso, filho.
This is Mr. Rabbit. And this is a little chicken.
Ele tava te chamando, filho.
I told Benício that the donkey was calling him.
Só não põe a mão que ele morde. Que bichinho. A vaquinha. Olha
Here are the
que
cows.
lindinha a vaquinha, filho. Na vaquinha não pode subir.
He wanted to ride them, but he
E
couldn't.
você?
Only on
Tudo
horses.
bem? Não,
Be
põe a mão que
careful
morde, meu amor.
because it can bite you.
Que é um porcão.
Here's a very
Olha
big
o
pig.
porco, filho, o tamanho desse porco, meu amor. Olha lá os porquinhos, filho.
And there are the little pigs. Look. The biggest expected moment has arrived. Ride the horse. This is going to be really cool. He wanted to ride the other white horse too. It's very fun. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next adventure here on the channel. Bye bye.